Hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then hi. Um, I did a poll recently to decide which room was going to be next, and it came down to two. This, which is Alice in Wonderland, and Beetlejuice. Now, I assumed everybody would do Beetlejuice, because the film came out recently. But no, Alice won. So I had to completely rethink what I was doing. Because I put all the ideas down for Beetlejuice room and start from scratch. Um, you'll have to excuse the noise in the background. We have neighbours banging bricks out of the walls, and my cats have decided to just now have a fight. Love the cats. They are a pain in the bum, but I love them. It's good job they're cute. Anyway, uh, Alice in Wonderland won, and so I need a sort of 3D-ish backdrop to the room because it's going to be the dining room. And so I thought the best bet for the whole of the film would be do a spin-off, the Mad Hatter's Tea Party. So my background, I'm going to have a painting of mushrooms, flowers, like fairyland backdrop. But I wanted this to be more prominent. So I'm making a mushroom and Absolem and his little hookah. I want to say hookah, but I don't know if that's right. My brain's just suddenly gone bleh. So if I'm wrong, please tell me. The thing he's smoking. Oh dear. But the Absolem creature isn't perfect, and he is only in the background, but I could not put Absolem in, especially because it's oh, Hector, the actor. Ah, oh my days. Hans Gruber, Harry Potter. Oh, somebody tell me, my brain's gone again. Um, oh my days. No, nope, can't remember. Uh, Alan, Alan. I want to say Alan Rickman. Why is that wrong? Right or wrong? Is it Alan Rickman? Alan Rickman? Oh, anyway, I had to put him in because I just love his voice as Absalom. Um, huge actor, enormous actor. Just shame he passed away so soon. Just, I think it's soon. Anyway, I'm waffling on again. I need to shut up. Um, I am using polymer clay that, believe it or not, I did not burn. Wow, that is a miracle in itself. I think it's because I'm trying to remember that it needs to come out earlier. Actually, no, I was cooking dinner at the time, just jacket potatoes. But yeah, because I had to go and check on them, I remembered it was there. um, I used the paper drawing that I'd done as a reference for the mushroom, but Absalom's little antennae, oh my days, I really should have used wire because they kept falling off after baking, and down to user error completely because, well, they are the tiniest things in the world. As you can see, it's very, very tiny. Um, and for some reason, I lost that eye. I have no idea where that eye's gone. It just disappeared. It's not even in the foil. But anyhow, this is my Absalom, and he's going to get painted, and he's going to look really pretty in blue. But the mushroom I found were a lot easier because, well, my big fat hands weren't all over the place. And I love Alice in Wonderland. It's, well, the first picture sums me up really, and it's that oh my god, I'm here again look on his face. And the saying we're all mad here, the good people are kind of thing. It's just, yeah, we all need to be a little bit mad now and again. I can't get my teeth in today. I ain't got falsies, they just don't want to work. It's like they're jumbling around my mouth. I am tired again. That's my life. I'm a permanently exhausted pigeon. But yeah, the mushroom's a lot easier. You can see I use my nails a lot. That's why my nails are always ditched. I've always got something on the go. If it's not paint, it's clay, polymer, dust, or just faffing around in general with crafty stuff. I moulded the mushroom, so I wanted to make it sort of 3D and more raised in one area, which was the top, the mushroom cap. So it looked like it got some depth to it. And again, look, favourite tool. I do love this tool. I love all the ones I've got. I, I can do all sorts with it. It's brilliant. I just got to remember to keep it clean. And this is where I'm putting the extra height in, just to give it that depth. And I'm using my tool just to mark out shapes, and even using it as a roller. And it's going to be very flat because I want it to go flat against the wall. Because like I said, I'm going to do the backdrop in just ordinary paper. I'm going to do a little painting on this paper, and then I'm going to put that on with Absolem on top. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a tree as well. I had this idea of doing stairs as a tree with wooden steps, and I realised the stairs are on the wrong side of the room, so there is no stairs. So I still don't know whether to put a tree in the corner somewhere. So that's something I need to look at, especially with the size of the room, because it's a little bit smaller than Mrs. Lovett's kitchen. Not that much smaller, but I've got to look at the angles and where I'm putting things, because it's going to need tables and chairs and stools, and I've got to figure out where to put them, because it's a straight line table, well, set of tables in the picture, but I may have to tweak that and make it into sort of like a U shape. I don't know, my brain's a whir, but I'm going to leave you with a bit of music while you watch me make the, I'm going to say it again, hookah? I'm sure that's wrong. Please tell me if I'm wrong. I don't mind if you tell me if I'm wrong. I know what I'm like. So I'll leave you with some music and I hope you enjoy it, and I'll come back at the end.
In a world of shadows, light does sing. A goth unicorn with a blackened wing. Happy she dances under moonlit nights, creating beauty, spurring on delight. Her hooves tap softly to the softest bells, crafting wonders in her secret spells. From threads of silver and whispers bright, a tapestry woven in the dark of night. Her hooves tap softly to the softest bells, crafting wonders in her secret spells. From threads of silver and whispers bright, a tapestry woven in the dark of night. Goth unicorn in midnight hue, mixing magic in the morning dew, with raven feathers and twilight beads. She makes beautiful things from all the seas. Letter spills from ebony mane,
So as you can see now, I am painting. Oh, yes, I have fallen into the Suno trap. So yeah, that bit of music is an AI thing. It was quite cool. I don't know if you can hear my cat purring, but I've put my Grinch jumper on and now she's decided it's time for cuddles. I can't do anything in this house without a cat. I am going to be the crazy cat lady, I swear. I'm putting tones of different beiges and yellows and browns into a mix. Because I don't want the butterfly. No? What am I on? Mushroom. I don't want the mushroom to be bright in your face red. I want it to be more, well, Tim Burton dark, really. As you can see on the left-hand side of me, I have some metallic paints. I got these from Range. They're like a water paint, but they leave such a lovely sheen. A nice shiny metallic look. Metallica? That's a band. Metallic look. Oh dear. But it also toned down the red on the mushroom itself. Absolem's going to be painted all nice and blue. And this is the only one I could find, and it's the original cartoon version of Alice in Wonderland. I much prefer the film version with Tim Burton. I like dark stuff. Although it's not the original. The original Alice in Wonderland was very odd. Cary Grant. Was Cary Grant an egg? Was he Humpty Dumpty in it? I'll have to look that up. It's been a while since I've watched it. Why was Humpty Dumpty in it? I'm very confused myself now. I really will have to check that up. For some reason I got blue on the hooker. The hooker is right, I checked it. And I was also right about Alan Rickman, surprisingly. See, I know stuff, but getting it from my brain to my mouth, don't always happen. Anyway, I'm putting in little stripes and little details of where his, now, I want to say paws, not paws, little feet, his little feet, and zhuzhing up the hooker. And I still never put that eye back in. I just filled it with some paint and glue. But I need to add a bit more depth, so I'm adding a wash of black and then rubbing it off. And I have done some pictures for the end because I finished it all off completely off camera, and I hope you like it. It's just going to be part 1 of the Alice in Wonderland series. That'll probably be about 4 more, and I hope you come back to see the rest.
In a world of shadows, light does sing. Goth unicorn with a blackened wing. Happy she dances under moonlit nights, creating beauty, spurring on delight. Her hooves step softly to the softest bells, crafting wonders in her secret spell.